Welcome back! Today we're diving into the world of lethal, super-fast chainsaw tree cutting machines. Get ready to explore standout features and incredible power of these mighty titans of doom. Frontier OS 27. The Frontier OS 27 sawmill epitomizes efficiency and durability. Powered by a 13.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine, it handles logs up to 27 inches in diameter, offering a cutting width of 22 inches. This model's design integrates auto-locking saw head, easy blade tension, and adjustable blade guide for precision. Its mobility kit facilitates easy relocation, while weighing 750 pounds ensures stability. Ideal for serious sawmillers, the OS27 combines robust construction with consistent performance, making it a solid investment for producing high-quality lumber. TigerCat X822D. The TigerCat X822D feller puncher stands out in high-production forestry environments, especially on steep slopes. With TigerCat's leveling undercarriage and tight-tuck boom geometry, it minimizes environmental impact while selectively felling trees. The enhanced cabin design maximizes operator comfort and visibility, featuring unmatched service access. Powered by TigerCat FPT engines, the X822D provides quick load response, low operating costs, and complies with Tier 4F emission standards using a patented SCR aftertreatment system. It's a high-performance machine that offers reliability and efficiency, perfect for around-the-clock forestry operations. Timberjack 450C Skidder. The Timberjack 450C Skidder, measuring 20 feet long and weighing 30,000 pounds, excels in substantial timber extraction. Its design honors the legacy of Canadian timber harvesting, blending historical techniques with modern enhancements. Featuring a robust frame and powerful traction, it thrives in challenging terrains. Its large dimensions and capacity ensure efficient handling of heavy timber loads, showcasing the evolution from basic hand tools to advanced forestry equipment. The Timberjack 450C epitomizes enduring utility and efficiency in forestry. Valmet 921C with 370E processing head. The Valmet 921C harvester, paired with 370E processing head, is tailored for precision and efficiency in timber processing. This powerhouse features a crane of crane and a sophisticated measuring system within the processing head for precise long handling and cutting. Weighing 19.3 metric tons and powered by a 155 kilowatt engine, the Valmet 921C is designed for challenging environments, offering superior reach and maneuverability. Its sturdy construction and advanced engineering make it a reliable choice for forestry professionals who prioritize efficiency and precision in their operations. Enjoying the cutting-edge tech of these chainsaw machines so far? Don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more incredible showcases like this. Now let's keep the engines running and continue our exploration. GreenTech Twin Saw LRS 2402. The GreenTech Twin Saw LRS 2402 revolutionizes tree maintenance with its immense working width of 4.8 meters and 8 circular saw blades. Each blade is equipped with durable Whittier teeth, suitable for cutting branches up to 21 centimeters thick. Weighing 639 kilograms, it is designed for large-scale operations, providing precise cuts with minimal effort. Its features include a power band belt drive for efficient performance and a branch guider to ensure even intake, enhancing operational consistency. This machine not only cuts effectively, but also promotes a healthy environment by integrating wood residue back into the soil, facilitating eco-friendly tree management. TigerCat 1075C. The TigerCat 1075C, a Super Duty 2-ton forder, excels in high-production forestry operations. It combines a robust engine with a high-capacity cooling system to ensure peak performance in the most demanding conditions. Equipped with advanced hydraulic systems for precise control and maneuverability, the T75C is perfect for around-the-clock operations. It's also compatible with Scarra fire attachments, enhancing its versatility in various forestry tasks. The design focuses on operator comfort with a spacious, climate-controlled cab, ensuring productivity during long shifts. The T75C is the ultimate tool for transporting large volumes of logs efficiently and reliably. Caterpillar 320CL. The Caterpillar 320CL, manufactured between 2002 and 2005, exemplifies strength and efficiency. Weighing 20.8 tons with dimensions that balance maneuverability and stability, is designed for substantial earth-moving tasks. This excavator's powerful tear-out force of 113 kilonewtons and a dredging depth of 6.11 meters allow it to handle tough digging operations effortlessly. Its size and robustness enable it to operate in various construction and demolition environments, providing reliability and control. With a design focus on productivity and durability, the 320CL enhances operational efficiency, making it an invaluable asset for projects requiring high levels of performance and endurance. Dipper Fox Stump Crusher 850 Pro. The Dipper Fox Stump Crusher 850 Pro transforms stump removal, combining speed and efficiency unmatched by traditional methods. It features a patented gear-changing mechanism that converts high speed into powerful torque, adapting to different stump hardness. Lightweight at 575 kilograms, it minimizes noise pollution, enhancing urban usability. This machine crushes stumps in seconds, significantly reducing the effort and time required for stump removal. Ideal for large-scale projects, it ensures site readiness without additional cleanup, allowing for immediate replanting. The Dipper Fox 850 Pro not only enhances productivity, but also promotes environmental sustainability through its efficient and innovative design. Hammerhead GS44XL Grapple Saw. The Hammerhead GS44XL Grapple Saw, upgraded for high-horsepower skid steers, represents a pinnacle in log handling technology. Constructed from T1 steel with a 100,000-pound tensile strength, it far surpasses conventional steels in durability. This grapple saw features a robust frame with additional bracing and guarding, a protected top clamp, and a solid welded support, ensuring longevity and reliability. Its capability to handle logs up to 30 inches in diameter, combined with a powder-coated finish for added durability, make it an essential tool for forestry, storm cleanup, and logging operations, providing exceptional performance and resilience. TimberPro TL735C. The TimberPro TL735C Feller Puncher combines high performance with innovative features for advanced timber processing. It weighs 60,080 pounds and is powered by a Cummins QSC 8.3-liter engine, producing 330 horsepower, efficiently tackling tough forestry tasks. Features include industry-leading four-way leveling, a smooth underbody for easy maintenance, and customizable controls via the Iquan MD4 HD touchscreen. High output LED lights and compatibility with various attachments like the TDS22 disc saw enhance its utility and productivity. Stump Shear 1270. The Stump Shear 1270 is engineered for powerful and efficient stump removal. Built entirely from hard-up steel, this attachment weighs approximately 1,500 kilograms and features a 55-inch blade capable of opening up to 20 inches, making it ideal for shearing large stumps. Its design focuses on reducing the stone and soil content in biomass, optimizing transport volume, and facilitating easier handling. The Stump Shear 1270 not only enhances productivity by allowing for complete root ball removal without additional cleanup, but also prepares the site for immediate replanting, proving itself as a vital tool for extensive land clearing and site preparation projects. Wiedemann 1000 Series. The Wiedemann 1000 series of articulated wheel loaders showcases remarkable versatility and efficiency. Available in multiple models, these loaders vary in drive output from 45 kilowatts to 115 kilowatts and can handle tipping loads between 2,898 kilograms and 5,290 kilograms. Their widths range from 1,410 millimeters to 2,390 millimeters, accommodating various operational spaces, with lift bucket swivels from 3,240 millimeters to 4,260 millimeters and weighs from 3,900 kilograms to 10,720 kilograms. They are robust yet agile. Designed for comfort, safety, and endurance, the Wiedemann 1000 series excels in construction, agriculture, and industrial applications, making it a foundational asset in any fleet. Loving the power and precision of these tree-cutting titans? If you haven't yet, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with more amazing content. Let's rev up and roll into more action. TigerCat 860C. The TigerCat 860C Feller Puncher excels in clear fell applications with its powerful Tier 3 engine and twin swing drive system for high torque. ER boom technology boosts productivity and conserves energy, while a Super Duty leveling system ensures stability. Its clamshell-style engine enclosure facilitates easy maintenance, improving uptime. Operators enjoy a climate-controlled cab, offering superior visibility and comfort for extended hours. Combining power, durability, and thoughtful design, the 860C is a premier choice for forestry professionals. Prinoth M500E 1100. The Prinoth M500E 1100, designed for excavators in the 18 to 25 ton class, is a high-performance forestry mulcher. It features a 1.1 meter working width and a 500 millimeter rotor diameter, making it ideal for handling a variety of vegetation management tasks. This model is known for its tilt function, allowing 10 degrees forward and 90 degrees backward movement, facilitating efficient mulching of standard trees. Its hydraulic protection flap and integrated durable hoses enhance operational safety and machine longevity. With its robust design and versatile capability, the M500E 1100 is perfect for clearing brush, shredding stumps, and preparing sites for new construction or maintenance. TigerCat 870C. The TigerCat 870C feller puncher excels in demanding forestry operations with its powerful Tier 3 engine and high-capacity cooling system. Its twin swing drive system delivers substantial torque for effective tree cutting, supported by boom technology for increased production and energy efficiency. The power-operated clamshell-style engine enclosure provides excellent service access, enhancing maintenance ease. Stability and durability are ensured by a long frame and wide-stance car body, complemented by a Super Duty leveling system. For operators, the climate-controlled cab offers exceptional comfort and visibility, making the TigerCat 870C an essential tool for high-performance forestry work. K&B Lumber's 6-foot double-cut head rig. The K&B Lumber's 6-foot double-cut head rig revolutionizes sawmill technology, enhancing lumber production significantly. Featuring a unique moving saw that cuts in both directions, it boosts efficiency and visibility. Powered by closed-circuit hydraulics with a Parker Gold Cut pump and motor, it offers precise control and robust performance. Its double-cut capacity and compact design make it perfect for one-man operations, drastically increasing productivity. This head rig is a game-changer in sawmill operations, producing high-quality lumber more efficiently. 2023 Automated Turbo Sawmill. The 2023 Automated Turbo Sawmill epitomizes modern sawmill technology with its advanced automation features. Designed for a one-man operation, it includes auto lever feed, auto blade swing, and tapper adjustment for precise cuts. Foot leveling enhances stability, while a weatherboard attachment adds versatility. New large dials improve sizing actuation, and jockey wheels offer enhanced maneuverability. Double cut capability doubles productivity, making this sawmill highly efficient. Accessories like digital sizing and slabbing carriages extend its functionality. Ideal for producing high-quality lumber, the automated turbo sawmill revolutionizes sawmill operations with its blend of automation, precision, and versatility. Mobile Urban Drum Debarker. The Mobile Urban Drum Debarker excels in woodyard operations, specifically engineered to meet local geographic and fiber supply demands. It comes in various sizes, featuring a XX HD design, premium efficiency electric drives, and diverse lifter configurations, boasting a shell thickness of up to 1.5 inches and a 30,000-pound rated axle assembly. It ensures durability and high productivity. This drummer debarker optimizes the debarking process, reducing whitewood losses and maximizing output. Its robust and versatile design make it essential for boosting productivity and cutting costs in modern forestry operations. John Deere 959M Track Feller Puncher. The John Deere 959M Track Feller Puncher excels in timber harvesting with its robust design, offering exceptional stability, power, and visibility. Powered by a 246 kilowatt engine and featuring a maximum boom reach of 8.9 meters, it handles large-scale operations effortlessly. Its substantial dimensions and high tractive effort ensure top performance in varied forestry conditions. The 959M also boasts advanced cab leveling tilts for superior comfort and control, making it the go-to choice for forestry professionals who demand a reliable and potent feller buncher. Deere Johnson Mill. While specific details about a Deere Johnson Mill are not available, John Deere's legacy in agricultural innovation is profound. In 1837, He invented the first successful steel plow, revolutionizing farming by creating a plow that could cut through the tough Midwest soil without clogging. This innovation marked the beginning of the John Deere Company, which continues to lead in agricultural machinery production. John Deere's contributions to agricultural technology have significantly shaped modern farming practices, continuing to impact the industry with advancements that improve efficiency and productivity in agricultural operations worldwide. As we wrap up our tour of these lethal, super-fast chainsaw, tree-cutting machines, we'd love to know which ones impressed you the most. Share your favorites in the comments below. If you enjoy this journey through cutting-edge forestry technology, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more incredible machine showcases.